Hello everybody, welcome to If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make Eastern Carolina BBQ Sauce, aka Mop Sauce, with just 7 simple ingredients. And the best part about this is there's absolutely no cooking process involved. Let's go. Our 7 simple ingredients are water, hot sauce, black pepper, kosher salt, crushed red pepper, apple cider vinegar, and packed brown sugar. And we're going to start this off with the apple cider vinegar. We're going to add 2 cups into our bowl here. Nice. Then we're going to take our water. I'm going to add a cup of water to this. Then I'm going to dump in a cup of packed brown sugar. Now there's no order that you put this stuff in. Just put it in randomly as you see fit. Anyway, next I'm going to grab my crushed red pepper, which is the star of this sauce. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons inside of here. Next, I'm going to grab my kosher salt. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon in here. Next, grab my table ground black pepper. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of black pepper, brown pepper. And lastly, I'm going to grab my hot sauce. This hot sauce isn't hot, but it's pure flavor. I like it. But you can add whatever hot sauce you want. So I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons in here. And some on the counter. Anyway, once you have all your ingredients, grab your whisk and just start going to work. And you want to stir this real good until you feel the sugar dissolve. You'll feel it. Like you'll feel it easily. And just have at it. Now, after you get this sucker nice and whisked up, you want to taste it to see if you need to add anything into it. Like, I mean, it's you. You're gonna know what you want. You're gonna know what you're looking for. But I'm going to taste mine to see if it's how I like it. Yep, that's on point. So then you grab you a mason jar or something that you could transport this into. I got a funnel, I got this jar. I'm going to put this inside of here. But first, before I pour it, you're going to give it another quick whisk to make sure everything is mixed up inside of that liquid. So when I pour it into the funnel, there's really no straggler seasons left at the bottom of this. So just hit it up real quick, and then I'm just going to go for it. Just like that, nice and easy. Let's see if I can get out the way. Nice and easy. And if you have any left over, you know what, so be it. Put it in something else and use it. So that's it. So once I do that, I just cap it up nice and tight. Give it a good shaking. In fact, I'm gonna shake weight this. And that is it. You can see it's like a nice little muddy color. You can see the crushed red pepper flakes and all the other seasons floating in there. And this stuff is phenomenal. So you could serve it just as it is right now, just like this. And again, remember, we didn't boil anything or none of that stuff, but you can serve it just like this right now as it is. Or like I prefer to wait like at least 24 hours. You can refrigerate it or not. It doesn't need to be in the refrigerator. But yeah, that's it. And then you can serve it on your pork, your chicken, your turkey, whatever. So, with that being said, this is If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. I am the Amateur's Amateur. I hope this video was informative, and thank you very, very much for viewing.